What is up, you guys? Okay, today we're doing a request from Sword Slayer. Okay, this is Trouble by R3HAB, the acoustic version. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to know is your guitar's in standard tuning. And on the recording, it seems like she's playing with her capo on the 12th fret. Okay, so if you have an electric, you can do this on the 12th fret. I unfortunately cannot because of the shape of my guitar. I can't actually put a capo up that high. So I'm going to play it down here in standard. Okay, you can play along with the track. It's not a problem. It's an entire octave up, so don't worry about it. You can play along. It sounds great. But if you want to play it exactly the same as a recording, be mental and put a capo on the 12th fret. You know, the song's hard enough to play as it is, let alone with stretching your fingers into the most horrible, contorted positions you can fucking imagine, right? So that's that out of the way, squared that away. So the finger style for this song, all right, there are 3 chords in total. There's an A minor, a G, and an F. All right, so I'll teach you the 3 chords, and then I will teach you the finger style part. All right, so the first chord is an A minor. Now, in order to play your A minor, you're going to take your first finger, you're going to place it onto the 1st fret of your 2nd string. You can take your 2nd finger, place it on the 2nd fret of your 4th string, and your 3rd finger underneath here on the 2nd fret of your 3rd. Like so. Right, so that's your A minor, that's your first chord. Okay, your next chord is going to be a G. Now to play your G, you're going to take your first finger, place it onto the 2nd fret of your 5th string, your 2nd finger goes onto the 3rd fret of your 6th string, and your 3rd and 4th underneath here on the 1st and 2nd strings on your 3rd fret. There you go, there's your G. Okay, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, like so. That's your G. And your last chord is an F. Okay, you can either play the bar chord version or like so. I prefer the bar chord version, it's a lot easier. Okay, so I'll show you both. First of all, you're going to take your first finger and you're going to bar the entire 1st fret, all right? So what that means, you got to press down with your first finger on every single string here, all right? So you're pressing down. It's not the easiest if you're a beginner, but trust me, you want to get practicing these as soon as possible. Don't avoid them, all right? Because it will massively increase your playing. So once you've got that down, you're going to take your 2nd finger, you're going to place it onto your 2nd fret of your 3rd string. Then your 3rd and 4th, they're going to go up here onto the 3rd fret on your 4th and your 5th string, like so. Okay, so that is your F. Okay, if you are really struggling with that bar chord, you can place your first finger just barring the 1st and 2nd string of your 1st fret. All right, same sound, but it is better if you start learning these bar chords, guys. All right, so that's your F. That's all the chords you're going to need for this song. So A minor, G, your F. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you that little finger style, that little finger picking that she does. Okay, if you are a beginner and that just terrifies you, don't worry, I get it, we've all been there. Just skip ahead, all right, and then I'll go through it all with you. But if you want to learn it, stick where you are. So take your A minor, first chord. Now to play the finger style part, you're going to take your bass note for your A minor, all right, which is your 5th string here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to play your bass note and your 2nd and your 3rd strings together in a 1/4 lap. Alright? That's what you're looking for. Okay? So for your G, your bass note will be your 6th string, and the same with your F. Bass note will be the 6th string. Alright, but for the A minor, it's on your 5th. Okay, so your bass note, your 2nd and your 3rd together. Then you're going to go 4th string, 3rd string, then your 5th string. Okay? Like so. Okay, so bass note, 2 and 3 together, all right? 4, 3, 5, and then just to finish that off, 2, 3, okay? And just repeat that, all right? Slow it down, all right, when you first start it, all right? Take it as slow as you want. I did it, I spent like half an hour just sitting like, gradually getting faster until you're playing at like this kind of speed. Alright, then you're comfortable with it. Okay, so the intro, alright, you'll play your A minor, that twice, that little finger style thing, play that twice, to your G, to your F, you play it 4 times on the F. Okay, so what's working out there is the A is 1 bar, 4 beats to the bar, so 1, 2, 3, 4 to your G, 2, 3, 4 to your F, 2, 3, 4, and again. 4. Okay, so you beginners, all right, you can just play your A minor for 4 beats, your G for 4 beats, and your F for 4 beats, and then another F. Okay, so that F stays on for 8 whole beats. All right, so that's that little intro. And then the verse is exactly the same. You just play the A minor, the G, and the F, and the F. All right, that repeats twice. Then the pre-chorus, exactly the same. So A minor, G, F, F, 2 times. Okay, then you come to the chorus. All right, now the chorus is the only part where this song kind of changes up a little bit. All right, so it's still the same chords, it's just the order slightly changes. You add a G in the middle, all right? So it's like A minor, G, F, then another G. Okay, so it's A minor for 4, your G for 4, your F for 4, and your G for 4. All right, so instead of playing that F twice, you just add a G instead. Okay, so. To that G. All right. And that's pretty much it. Then you have a little instrumental where it plays through that same pattern that you've been playing, you know, the A minor, G, F, F. All right, plays through that once. Then you've got the second verse, exactly the same. Pre-chorus is the same. Then your chorus is the same again. All right, you just, instead of playing that F twice, you add a G in at the end. And then you've just got a little instrumental at the end, same as before, plays through the A minor, the G, F, F. Okay, so like I say, the chorus is the only part of the song that changes. You just add that G in instead. All right, so if you are really struggling with that fingerstyle, guys, don't worry about it. Add your own little twist to it. All right, I've always said this in my channel, is don't copy things like identically. Give it your own little twist, your own little spin. It makes it a lot more fun for you to play, because you're not sat there for ages with your fingers bleeding and you're getting blisters and it's just horrendous and nobody's enjoying themselves. So yeah, just enjoy it, make it your own, and I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you. And like I said, big shout out to Sword Slayer for requesting this song. All right, I am working my way through the request list, guys. I know you've been asking for Eden tutorials, you've been asking for Black Bear tutorials and Stefan and all this stuff. I am looking into it. All right, I'm just trying to upload whenever I can. I only have short periods of time when I can get away with it, when I'm not at work and stuff like that. So anyways, thanks for sticking by me, guys, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.